Bicolanja Ambassadors 2019, inviting you all to please watch, witness one of the most prestigious pageants here in Bicol region. This is the Search of the Ginang Diyos and Bicolanja 2020. Once again, this is Ronnie Boy Bulicoli Basilan, all the way, Municipality of San Fernando. Thank you so much.
Join us as we search the first ever virtual queen of Ginong Diosa ng Bicolanja 2020. I am John Kenji Suwayo del Rio, your Ginong Diosa ng Bicolanja 2019. Let the search begin.